Mag-tour kayo for anniversary?
Passion, natural transition, I guess. The idea did come right away. It was always parang a build-up because we'd always share shows together, bar shows, festivals. So lagi nagkakasama pa rin. Up until the point, I probably credit our management, si Carlene sa Nemesis and si Jeff Cernunos. They got together and ended up talking about putting the show together and then mag-share. Yeah, so we said yes, kasi sila yung boss.
Yes. Thank you.
Normally perform in Cebu.
In Cebu right now, unfortunately, there's not much venue. But we've been based, the band has been based here since 2004. Yeah, so, but we've been, so when it comes to shows sa Cebu, normally we get to perform there again during mga festivals.
Next question.
What will make this concert different from your usual gigs?
Aside from yung milestone ng both bands, so meron tutulong sa amin si Paolo Valenciano na siya yung nag-direct ng concert, so marami kaming mga surprises na ibibigay sa mga fans at sa mga manonood ng show sa April 6. And yun, yung set list namin is mas curated pa compared sa mga regular shows namin. So, expect nila yung mga deep cuts, mga fan favorites, and syempre yung mga singles nandun and more. So, secret pala, surprise. Thank you.
Any more questions?
Hi guys, Kevin from Manila Concepts. Congratulations, 25th anniversary. What a milestone for both bands. Tanong ko po sa Typecast, since the emo scene has emerging again worldwide, ano masabi niyo po sa industry ngayon ng emo po?
Sa ego ngayon, nakakatawa kasi bumabalik. Pero yung emo kasi na nandito sa okay lang. Almost yung basic rock kami. Pero
actually, we never really intended to project like new emo music. Kasi as we've been doing this for like more than 20 years now, we never, like Urban Love, we never set rules in making music. We just do what we feel. And hopefully it resonates with our fans. And so these are intentional, but we're thankful na, fans dig it, I mean, emo culture dig it. So we're very thankful and parang nanganganak siya eh. It keeps on giving. So yeah, we're thankful na it's not just a phase. Ano yung saying nila? Yeah, emo is not just a phase, it's a culture, yeah. We're thankful, yeah, grateful.
Second question ko naman, is there any plans na magkaroon kayo ng collaboration album? Like this.
kami,
Is there any plans na magkaroon ng collaboration album?
I will
In collaboration with Urban Love. Actually, we did something last Christmas in year-end learning of Urban Love. We tried, actually we covered one of Urban Love songs, which is one of our super favorite, yung New Tattoo. And then the Boys, they also did a version of Wheelburger. So it's a start, and there's definitely something that will come soon.
Secret, a day at a time. We're focused on the 25th celebration, and then we'll see where we go from there.
Since this is a tour, ano pa mga cities yung target yung puntahan for this tour?
meron din sa Baguio, sa April 11, ano? April 11. And, April 12, sorry. So, yung mga susunod, mag-post na lang kami sa pages for updates.
Last question. For Urban Dub, congratulations sa Wonderland performance last night. What keeps you motivated in making music?
Definitely the love for music. So that's the motivation and still paying our bills. Luckily, we're viewers. And love for music, that's it. And as long as we are creative means for living. Art and the creative is the motivation.
The world needs.
Right?
I think.
Right, thank you and good luck for
Availability. One question lang, so what, throwback question what would you say best gig na perform yun in those 25 years sa industry? O di kwento? Sino pwede mag-kwento? Pwede mag-share?
That's hard. Different stages of the points of career. I guess one of the most memorable for us when we first started out was playing our first annual Center Rock Awards. So for any band, especially coming from the province, that was the end all and be all, especially for our genre, the rock. You wanted to play that stage. You only watched it on TV, you'd see it in the Songheads magazine. So for us to be able to perform there and represent where we come from, that was a milestone for us when we first started, 2003. So around that time. And then as it progressed, getting to perform outside of the country for the first time, and then being able to perform I don't know, like one of those big shows na like, sometimes you malulula ka na ang daming tao, being on tour for a whole year with other bands like Wolfgang, Rico Blanco, Parokya, and Kamikaze, back in 2012. And being able to go around the country and tour with them, that was a milestone also for us. So, marami. Even bar shows can be like an exciting thing. Intimate lang, maybe there's only 10 people, pero the energy is pure. Maganda exchange. Those can be memorable as well.
Ito yan ang about podcast mo. Same question.
Nag-meeting kami tatlo. So, first is yung, sabi ko ay, ikaw pa.
Every first show, like, first time namin lumuwas, mga ganun. From Santa Rosa kasi kami nandito na Laguna. So, parang first show, like Manila show, and then yung first out of the country, mga ganun. Like Babies Festival in Singapore. I mean, sobrang kabado kasi syempre, ibang tao, pero sobrang grateful namin doon. And then yung first na US tour namin, 2012, first round. Yeah. Yung nandun ka na pero parang hindi ka pa rin naniniwala na nandun ka. Ganun.
There was this time we played a private birthday. Yeah, it's a birthday party somewhere in Cubao. Ano siya, konti lang yung tao. So, ang banda lang doon, kami and Sandwich, no? Sandwich siya. So, nung time na yun, hindi pa namin kilala sila Rames. Pinanood nila yung set namin. Tuwa sila, bumili sila ng CD namin na last time. And then si Rames nag-offer na siya na, hey, why don't we produce your music. So yeah, that's one of our memorable shows that we had. Yun nga, private show pa siya. So yeah, that's one of my
Sa akin, simple lang yung first show ng Timecast ever sa Pasita ko. Yun yung first time na share yung songs ng band kahit hindi pa ganun ka pulido. Pero kahit kaya siya memorable kasi like first time nilang yung reaction nila is yung hindi in-expect ako. Ang in-expect ko is okay lang, yung nagustuhan. So it's maganda siyang parang okay, I'll keep doing it.
Ito yung multi-function hall yan. Tapos maliit lang siya. Tapos tanda mo yun, meron parang santunin sa likod ng stage.
Basta 1/4 lang nito yung
Soundboards yun. Nandun, di pa ako kasali sa kanila na, pero naalala ko yung panuto ko yun. Yeah.
Okay, maraming salamat. And congratulations.
Sir, you have a question?
Hi, good afternoon. David from PAB Concert.